Alright. Oh, snap.
You got it on?
Of course. That's crazy.
Crank Lucas in the building.
F8 in there. Look at that. Ooh. Hard time.
I'm seeing yours though.
Oh, look at the rims. That shit flush.
The interior too, you know. Doing it big.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation back with another video, part 2 of the intro. We got Hamza on the camera, shots by 2X on Instagram, y'all check them out.
Yeah.
We got the Audi RS3.
One of one.
Hold on, show them the custom.
With the Motivo red.
Guts. Motivo spec.
Hold on, we got it up the
Motivo spec.
a little bit so they see what's going on.
Ooh. Alright, so what are we here for? Shout out to the Toy Barn. Shout out to my man Brian. Brian, we love you. We appreciate you, man. Big shout out to you and your family. Brian hooked up my car. He got me right with my mods. So what are we talking about? What mods did we do on the F8 that we're picking up? We got exhaust, full exhaust, Ryft exhaust. We got Tune, DME Tune.
Ooh.
Video coming. You know, we're gonna get to ripping here in a second.
Yes, sir.
We got the exhaust, the Tune. Also, we got full set of wheels done up by my guys down in Miami, Velos Designwerks with the wheels, brand new wheels. Fitment is crazy. We got 20 in the front, 21s in the rear. So we're gonna pick it up. We got test drive. We got to get some good beauty shots, all that good stuff. So, you know, Hamza's gonna get us right.
No
so
doubt.
y'all stay tuned for that. But I gotta go pay the bill. But you know how we do when we come to Toy Barn. They always got some hot whips and stuff in here. So let's take a look. Look at this. Now look, if I ever got a C8 Corvette,
yeah,
that is the spec I would get. Red interior, black on black, red calipers.
It's crazy because I do the same thing, honestly. I think the red looks the best, and they got this chalk color that's pretty
Hey,
sweet too.
Peters, why don't you stop punking out, man? Go ahead and get you a whip, man. This is the right whip right here.
It's the same spec I get too. That's crazy. You see
like
that interior though?
It look like brand new.
It does.
That's a nice one. I mean, with that Z06 coming out, with that Z06, I don't know if you guys, what do you guys think of the new Z06? Drop a comment. Hamza. What do y'all think about the new Z06, man? I like it a lot. Like, I really like it. If I didn't have like the exotics going on and stuff like that, I've had two Corvettes in the past. I had a C6 and a C7. Supercharged both of them, and they were lit. It's a nice spec right here, though.
Nah, they definitely did their thing with the new Z06. You hear the exhaust? I think the exhaust.
Oh, that sounds crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go take.
It sounds like a 458. Is this unlocked? Let me show them the interior one more time. I think it was a little shaky, you know, before. But y'all see it though, you know. Let's see it right there. Motivo red.
Crank Lucas in the building.
Yo, look at the way that car looks.
That looks proper. That looks proper.
Definitely does.
That looks proper, son. That looks proper. All right, let's go see what they got in the showroom.
You went crazy.
Looks right.
You went crazy.
I think so.
I think so. I know so, actually. He said Maybach is my speed.
That's your speed.
That's on my tax bracket. It's like your speed right there.
Ooh.
Crank Lucas in the building.
Look at the back seat.
Back seat's unbelievable.
What?
Jeez.
This is when you get chauffeured.
And it bounces.
It's the bounce one.
It's the bounce. You know, when you just sit still and just go up and down. It's something else. I know, right?
I think the wind is stopped up.
Try it. Got a couple of those Range Rovers that just came in. That's the new body style 2023.
Oh, snap.
Yep.
2023 range.
2023 Range Rover. Brand body.
Okay.
I saw you.
And you're gonna take that thing of 138.
138.
What about 50 grand over?
Okay.
Almost 200,000 for a Range Rover.
What?
That's crazy, right?
That's damn near her time money. Crazy.
Look at the blue right there.
Ooh, that's
They got a Post-modification back there.
Dr. Peter's spec right here.
Two perks.
Ooh, oh, this came. Is that Blue Cepheus too? That might be Blue Cepheus right there.
One of my preferred colors right there. Ooh. I don't see the Hey.
Ooh, is that birthday?
How you doing, Mark?
That's birthday, Will.
Which one? This one?
Ithaca, right?
Yeah.
That's Ithaca.
Yeah, that's it.
Ooh. Yo, they got some heat.
Yeah, that's my favorite color right now.
I never seen
These are my
Ithaca.
two. I don't know if that's the exact color that, but if I was to get a brand new spec, it would be one of these two colors.
I mean, the way that this changes a little bit in the sun, too, it picks up a little bit of yellow. I mean,
So I got one on order. That's the color I picked. It's
crazy.
Birthday Ithaca. It's got like a pearl in it.
Yeah.
You can see the flake too, like the pink flake in it. Yo, this in the sun would look dumb.
That's like almost the exact same spec I got with the calipers and everything. How you been?
Man, real good. Brian, you had travel a little bit.
Yeah, I just got back yesterday. This is Mark Snyder. He's GM here at Toy Barn, and he always takes care of me. So he's got some beautiful cars here. There's a couple of Performantes they have in stock. This is the actual spec that I have on my Evo on order. The exact same color and spec. So you guys need something nice to see you talk to.
Yeah, for sure. We always appreciate Will stopping by, that's for sure.
Yes, sir.
One or two for someone here to get.
Yeah, if I was in the market, this would be a nice step up from my Huracan.
I gotta pray for my ears, man. That sounds amazing.
Hey, that was crazy. Go again.
It's not as laggy as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's on point, right?
It's the power's there. Like it doesn't have to build up. It's there.
It's amazing, bro.
I gotta get some gas.
You wanna do that right now?
Get gas?
Yeah, then we figure out where it's at.
Yeah.
You know, it got a little loose. I can feel it.
Yeah.
Wow, you transformed the car. Shout out to Brian.
Shout out to Brian. Woo, that ticket was way more. It was like double what I thought it was gonna be.
Bro, I was shocked.
That was double, bro. God dang. I ain't gonna be doing nothing for a minute.
How this car sounds, bro.
It's it's different than I thought it was gonna be.
Bro, the pitch is amazing.
It almost feels naturally aspirated.
I swear.
It's real instant, man. I thought it was gonna be like, I thought it was gonna like kick in, you know?
Build up a little bit.
Nah, it's right there. It's right there. Power's right there. I gotta get used to that because before you could feel the turbos kick in. Now it's like they're there. Yeah, we gotta see Felix now.
I don't think he want to see you no more.
We gotta see Felix now. Put the measuring stick out.
CR1 killer. That's it. I wonder what Dr. Peters got to say about this.
Dr. Hate.
Dr. Peters.
Dr. Hate. Dr. R. Hate.
Alright. Oh, snap.
You got it on?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay. It's getting serious.
Alright, okay. Alright. Alright, I see you, Brian. I see you.
Brian sauced it up.
It sounds good though. It sounds good.
That sounds amazing.
Wheels feel good.
Shout out Velos.
Yeah, wheels feel good. We got a little burble.
A lot of burble. Yeah, you a lunatic.
It sounds pretty good.
Hey, you was a crazy dude.
We got to do a victory lap. Where the crew at?
Where are they at? Y'all might hit the Voxer up.
Right, where y'all at, man?
Yeah.
We got whips out here today.
It's getting serious out here today. Hold on.
Man, I missed this car.
Bro, this car is amazing.
I wonder how this compares to the 458.
In terms of sound?
Yeah.
Yo, that'd be a great video.
It does sound pretty good though. It's not, believe it or not,
The turbo.
it's not too loud. Like on the inside.
On the outside, it's loud though.
To me, this is about all I need for a Ferrari, like from a sound perspective.
You know, it surprised me. The turbos, you can hear them still, but it's not like in your face, you know? Like the spool isn't the most obnoxious thing. It's the exhaust really in the pitch that you keep first.
We got it.
You went crazy though, I give it to you.
These wheels though set it off. We gotta go get a victory lap. You sure you don't want to eat something in Easton? Yeah, it sounds good. So we just get some gas real quick.
Fitment on point.
Fitment is on point.
exhaust tips, they look fantastic.
You like the exhaust tips?
I love them, bro.
Crackle pops. Crackle popsy. We got the F8 Motivo right here. Now, one thing I forgot to mention when we were back over at the toy barn, not only did we get the new wheels, the new exhaust, the new tune by DME, we also got the calipers painted. And you gotta get a close-up of the calipers because the calipers actually have gold flake in the red paint. Check it out. I think the race mode does have more power.
That's definitely true.
Ready?
Hold on.
Whoa.
Yo. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Dang.
That's crazy. It's vicious too, man.
Exhaust sounds nice.
It doesn't drone either.
Kind of reminds me of the, it's about the volume level of my Huracan.
Yeah, yeah.
So DME Tune is nice. It's smooth. The biggest thing about this tune that I'm noticing is the power's there all the time. The turbos don't like abruptly kick in. It's just always there.
Yeah. You left that car in the dust. You acting the dumbest. That's crazy.
Crank Lucas in the building.
You can hear that turbo too.
We're in Dave's Hot Chicken. This is my first time coming here. This is Hamza's idea. So we're gonna do a food vlog. It looks good, smells good. There you go, there's the food right there.
That's you right there. Just get him a food vlog. They always talking about you don't get him a food vlog.
All right, here we go, food vlog.
Yeah, break it down.
Dave's Hot Chicken. My first time coming here. Shout out to Hamza. Check out the food. I got one extra piece of hot chicken. I got mild over here. This sandwich looks good, man. I'm hungry, bro. I got to.
Give him the first impression.
First impression, juicy.
So it sound like
Killing Chick-fil-A.
It's like Chick-fil-A?
Killing Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I was gonna say Chick-fil-A ain't that good to me. I don't like Chick-fil-A.
You used to love Chick-fil-A.
I swear to God, no.
This dude used to love Chick-fil-A.
I think I might have ate it too much or something, but it's
I
not.
told you it wasn't that good.
Chicken is kind of normal, you know.
All right, they got the sauce. He gave me some extra sauce.
Yes, sir.
I'm putting this on the sandwich.
Folks.
It's good. It's good though. It's good. It's good. Certified.
Certified.
Here we go. So you used to love what you call it. You used to love some Chick-fil-A.
On the low.
I'll be like, what is this dude talking about?
You ain't see the hype?
Hype.
The hype behind
But this is a good choice though. This is good. This is good.
It's different.
I'm gonna get you on the vlog. Hold on. Oh shoot.
Like, what's going on?
That's good. Fries is on point.
On point. You should have got the cheese fries.
Nah,
Rookie
let's work with that.
You don't like cheese fries? Missing out.
Cheese on my fries, I'm good.
A1. I might go get a fork real quick. It's on.
Alright, so just got done eating at Dave's Hot Chicken. I was getting ready to call it Hot Chicken Takeover. Dave's Hot Chicken. This is the first one in Columbus, right?
Yeah.
So we're in Columbus, Ohio. It was good. Like out of all the hot chicken places that I've been to, that chicken was the best. But my recommendation is, if you're gonna try this place out, get the sandwich, not like the standalone chicken fingers or whatever. Get the sandwich with the coleslaw on it and stuff like that. It blends the flavor together. It's good. It was good. But like getting it by itself, it's just hot chicken. Like it's juicy and everything though. That's what probably like set it off the most. But it was really good. 2 thumbs up. What you think, Hamza?
It's pretty good. It's pretty
Good.
Yes,
All right, now we're gonna take the F8 to the crib. We're gonna pick up my Mustang. We'll be twinning out with the colors real quick.
Yeah.
But yeah, all right. I wish this thing had like automatic. Does the new one have that?
Winning. We got them cars twinning. Same color wheels too.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Wheel Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Wheel Motivation and support Wheel. I'm supporting them. You do the same.